This is the Great Mammoth. One of the greatest ancestors from the elephant race. Mammoths have been known as throughout North America, Europe, and Asia. These ancient plant eaters used to roam across the great tundra known as the Ice Age. Also known as the giant hairy elephant of the tundra. Woolly mammoths are known to be 11.5 feet tall. Each one of their hair is 1 millimeter long, I guess. One thing to know about the mammoth is that the first time I saw this prehistoric being on live television was on Walking with Prehistoric Beasts from BBC Video. When I first found out about Walking with Prehistoric Beasts, I've been attempting to get my hands on it for, well, who knows how long I can remember. I was trying to get my family to get it for me so I can understand more about prehistoric life. Well, life after the dinosaurs. And I did. Anyways, these are his tusks. Here's his long nose. I found the commercial on the Chased by Dinosaurs DVD. And basically, since mammoths have been around for more than 1 million years, there's probably a chance that they'll probably bring these beautiful giants back. Alexa, what is a mammoth?
The woolly mammoth is an extinct species of mammoth that lived during the Pleistocene until its extinction in the Holocene epoch. It was one of the last in a line of mammoth species, beginning with the African Mammuthus subplaniprons in the early Pliocene. The woolly mammoth began to diverge from the steppe mammoth about 800,000 years ago in East Asia. She was all bad, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby, you're a wreck. Needless to say, I'm keeping her check. She was all bad, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby, you're a wreck. Digging in a bad way, losing your grip. Screaming at my face, baby, don't trip. Someone took a big L on
minute. Just gotta fix this up before I can reveal this in action. There we go. Now I can concentrate. This is a there we are. Alright, I don't think the tail's necessary. Alexa, play Celestial.
Here's Celestial by Ed Sheeran on Amazon Music.
You see tonight it could go either way. Hearts balanced on a razor blade. We are designed to love and break, and to rinse and repeat it all.
Alright, everyone. There he is. That's how you draw the woolly mammoth. The great mammoth from Walking with Prehistoric Beasts.
Know your arms are reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me feel like a traveled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out into space. Celestial.
I find good feelings about this prehistoric hero. Anyway, there he is. Good night, guys.